Here's Jack. He is late for work. Jack, rushing to work, opens the door, only to find a gift box on the mat. He questions the air as he picks up the box from Rose.
Who's saying that?
It's so neatly wrapped, he just wants to rip it open. Jack finds a Pitaka Mag EZ Slider inside the box.
Wow, they're so beautiful.
Jack struts into the office like a peacock with his little Pitaka. He has never been so confident in his life. He clears his desk and carefully places the product on it so everyone will notice his new gadget.
Will you shut up?
He tries to play it cool, but deep down inside he is happy. He can't wait to assemble it so he can show his colleagues. Oh, Jack, what a show-off! Jack purposely puts the slider in the center of the desk. Alice, the intern, is staring at Jack like a hawk. Jack thinks his new cologne is the trick, but really, she just wants to ask about the Pitaka Mag EZ Slider.
You want to tell me anything about your new toy here? Is it useful?
I'll get this one. This is Pitaka's Mag EZ Slider with 3-in-1 charging technology. It has up to 5-watt wireless charging, works like a private charging station, and just look at the finish on the top and the texture finish on the back. Oh boy, ain't that beautiful? And you can rotate it 360 degrees.
Yeah, I think it's quite useful, actually.
Boss wants you in a meeting.
Okay, I'll be right there.
Mr. Jack knows these meetings can go on forever. He is annoyed because he always has to carry that big for-nothing power bank, which he always forgets to recharge. What he doesn't know is that the Mag EZ Slider can be slid off and used as a wireless power pack. Oh, and it has a built-in dock stand on the back.
Why didn't you tell me that earlier?
The tiny charging pack is business card sized, but it has a big 4,000 milliampere hour capacity. It can keep your phone charged at all times, even in an endless meeting.
Okay, I get it. It's amazing, but can I please just have my meeting?
Well, fine. We will let him off the hook for now.
Thank you.
And we're back. Jack has come back from the meeting, clearly happy with the juice pack. It has kept his phone charged. And what's more important, he will never ever forget to charge the pack again.
Did you know you could charge your AirPods at the back?
He has no idea. Jack puts his AirPods on the dock.
It does.
Of course it does. Okay, let's move on.
Hey Jack, can I borrow your AirPods charger? I forgot mine.
Sure,
Come on, Jack. It's in the gift box. Take it out and plug it in. Help a lady out. Jack is not only stoked about the product, but also happy it can be shared with his colleagues. He's definitely a Pitaka fan now.
Thank you.
Enough of Jack. Where's Rose?
Where is Rose? Rose.
Hi, nice to see you.
Hey.
So, did you like my little surprise?
I loved it. It's just so
Oh,
functional
God.
and
Just
so
ask her
amazing.
out already. You already think she is cool for sending you that Pitaka Mag EZ Slider.
Shall we?